Now Minecraft fans have some help in learning how to draw a creeper, which are hostile creatures that like to live in dark places in this popular video game. The simple geometric bodies make them easy to draw and a great way to practice making shapes look 3D too. Hi, my name's Kathy and I've been teaching kids how to draw for over 20 years now. You know, my favorite thing to do is to show students that when you take things one step at a time, learning how to draw just might be easier than you think. The only supplies you need for this project are a sheet of drawing paper, a pencil, black marker, and a few crayons. You may also find a link to a free step-by-step tutorial in the description below. This is my friendly reminder that I like to work with center pencil guidelines on my paper. The lines are also on all my tutorials, and they really help you plan where to draw. Let's start by drawing the rectangle for that body. I'm going to make 4 dots to plan it out, and then slowly connect those dots with straight lines. They don't have to be perfect, just try to draw slowly and do the best you can. The next step is to draw a side to that rectangle. Draw angled lines that go towards each other and then connect the ends with a straight line. Now for that large head, it's going to be this big and will sit a little to the left of the center line. After you plan the size, slowly connect the lines to make a nice big rectangle. The side of the head is added now. Start with 3 angled lines that are all the same size. Go down in the same direction. When they're in place, then connect the back ends with straight lines like I'm doing here. Now we can add the face. Start with 2 squares for the eyes and check that they are centered inside that rectangle. Place your pencil on the corner of each eye and draw down to make that outer shape of the mouth. Do the same on the other side and add that chin shape in the middle. Now, students that are watching closely may see that I missed a line here, but don't worry, I caught it later on. Now let's start drawing that leg that is extended. We need a kind of angled rectangle that looks like this. And when it's done, erase the line inside so it looks like it's in front of the body. To add a side to that leg, draw 3 angled lines that go down and to the right, all the same length and the same direction, and when finished, connect the ends with straight lines and erase that little line inside too. The left leg is really easy. Just draw straight lines like this and include that line inside. Now let's draw that back leg in 2 steps, starting with this top shape. Then 3 angled lines are added, all going down in the same direction, in the same length, and connected at the ends. The last details to add are some of those boxy lines that are spread out on the body. Add some, like I'm doing here, on the edges, and some in the middle. Some can be in pairs, and some by themselves. Feel free to draw as many as you want. Okay, our pencil drawing is done, so it's time to get out that black marker and start tracing our lines so we can see them really well. When the tracing is done, it's a good idea to take an eraser and get rid of any pencil lines that are still showing. And here's where I realized I missed that one line on the face. I hope you caught it before I did. Now for the coloring. The mouth and eyes are going to be black. And I'm going to color the part of the creeper body that's facing us with a green crayon and press firmly to get a medium kind of shade. On the sides though, I'm going to press really hard to make a darker shade of green. That's true for the side of the body and those legs too, so they also look like they have a shadow. The end result is a Minecraft creeper that really has a 3D look to it. When you visit my website, Art Projects for Kids, you'll find more Minecraft projects, including one for a Minecraft selfie and a Minecraft character. Over the years, my website has helped millions of kids learn how to draw. I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and if you're watching this on YouTube, remember to like and subscribe to my channel so you can get notified as soon as I post a new video.